All that glitters is not gold. The Kinross Gold Fraud Scheme by Andrew Higgins. A few of the things we will be talking about today are the background information over Kinross Gold, the fraudulent scheme, the breakdown, the end result, and I will end with a conclusion. So a little bit of background information over Kinross Gold Corporation is that it is a Canadian-based gold mining company with mines and projects in the United States, Brazil, Chile, Russia, and Ghana. It is one of the largest gold companies. Kinross began with partnering with 3 other companies in 1993, initially owning a mine in British Columbia and royalties on a mine in Nevada. Following a series of takeovers and mergers, Kinross now owns 10 active gold mines on 4 continents. The fraudulent scheme. They overstated asset values. At the time, the price of gold was decreasing while the mining price was rising, which resulted in an industry average of 75% decrease in profits. They aggressively overstated the amount of gold it had in its reserves that they could economically mine. As a result, the company did several things in a weak gold price environment. The breakdown. First, the company eliminated its dividends. While this is a very painful thing, it saved precious capital that the company could use to pay down its debt. Second, it paid off a lot of its debt. While it still has $2 billion in debt outstanding, it is now due for a few years and is easily manageable. Third, the company aggressively wrote down its reserves. The end result. While the company estimated that it had around 60 million ounces of gold reserves in 2012, this figure came down to just under 40 million more recently. These 20 million ounces of gold didn't disappear. The company simply decided that with the gold price where it is, it cannot mine these ounces profitably, and it will wait for a higher gold price environment to do so. They were later punitively taxed and fined an undisclosed amount, which forced them to end its Ecuadorian operations. In conclusion, the precious metal is in constant fluctuation. Even now, the price of gold is not fixed, leaving many companies with the rationalized opportunity to commit fraud. Still, after the committee overstating assets scheme in 2012, the Kinross Gold Company still found themselves in a bribery case in West Africa in 2015. By now, I think the public knows that all that glitters is not gold. Thank you.